Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Rush Raymore Reviews. So you're back on another property update. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Join the Rush Raymore Review family and be a part of the channel. Also, turn on that post notification bell so every time I put up a new video, you're fully aware. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. We're trying to get a drone for the channel, one with good quality as well. So we are on Trafalgar Road, just outside of Pulse. That's Pulse Center. And also outside of RUTHVEN Road as well. We're going to take a look at the RUTHVEN Towers. Just an update video to show you guys what's happening, so stay tuned. Let me show you guys over Pulse as well, coming right up now. So that's the Pulse Center. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is to take a drive onto RUTHVEN Road, and again we're just doing an update on the RUTHVEN Towers, apartment complex being developed by the government, NHT. So that's the RUTHVEN Towers there, standing out in New Kingston. So work is progressing very nicely. As you guys can see, let me just stay here so you guys can get a good shot. Alright, so I'll get closer as well, but this is a distance shot for you guys. So right now it's 8 floors. As you can probably see, for most floors, especially floor number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, windows and doors are already in. So it's like the lower 3 to 4 floors that has no are not fully windowed out, or door hasn't gone in as yet, but it's progressing nicely. It's painted. Not sure how the interior looks though, but I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. You guys are always sharing information, so if you guys know when is the expected completion. I know on the NHG website I think they say somewhere next year, but if you guys know the expected completion if you guys know probably when they're gonna have an open house, you guys can let me know as well, because I know that most apartments going up right now, they are less finished than the RUTHVEN Towers, and they have already started doing open house and stuff like that. So it's kind of weird how RUTHVEN Towers, even up to now, you can't even get like a open house to see how inside look, or for them to finish up one of the units as a model unit so that persons can see. But if any of you guys have any background information, if any of you guys have any links at NHT and can get some more details for me in terms of probably how long from now they'll be finished, how long from now applications will be going in, or even the price, because even now there's no price in terms of the different apartment units. So a lot of information, still very tight-lipped on the RUTHVEN Towers. So if any of you guys can get some more details for me, let me know. That would be awesome. And again, this property has been developed by the NHT, by the government. No word on price yet. No opportunity for an open house as yet, so we don't even know the design. We don't know a lot of that. So I think eventually it should be 2 or 3 towers. I think some of that is still not finalized, but it's 8 floors for sure. Elevator with a balcony. We know it's gonna have gym, jogging trail, recreational areas, pool. Those are some of the amenities, but other information is a bit tight-lipped as well. But RUTHVEN Towers, let me get a bit closer for you guys, to show you a little bit more around the RUTHVEN Tower. Alright, just gonna show you guys a closer look. Eventually I will have to come out the vehicle. Alright, now we have RUTHVEN Court Apartments on this road right here. Alright, so RUTHVEN Towers. I can see a glimpse like they're now making the perimeter fencing. Alright, so let me head outside and try, zoom in a bit for you guys and probably show you a view from the back as well. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about this property so far. Remember to also check out the previous video on this property. What I'll do, because I have quite a few previous updates, I will put the very first update I did on this property in the description and in the comments as well. So stay tuned for that. So this is the RUTHVEN Towers. And then over here guys is the remaining lot that will be converted into the other towers for the RUTHVEN Tower 1, Tower 2. Very big piece of land. Right now it's still occupied by one of the Department of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So eventually it's going to be phase 2, phase 3. And then this is a finished concept of phase 1. This is what it should look like when it's finished. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Leave your comments. And remember to subscribe if you haven't done so before. Remember to like, share. And if you're thinking about donating, we have PayPal and other options as well.